Hello guys, so in this video I just want to talk about MrBeast age 1 to 100 face for $500,000, and in this video I will use the lie detector to talk about how to win these games. So if you want to learn more about body language or learn about how to detect lie, you must watch the video. So here we will play some of the clip of the MrBeast video, and then we will talk about it one by one. So let's go.
52 now has to decide whether she's going to keep her briefcase or steal his.
Joe, do you have $500,000 in your briefcase?
Yes.
So first here, you can see that when he answer the question, he close his eyes and then he nod, okay, yes. And if you already watch some FBI and answer, it said that when a person answer a question, okay, verbally, and then the nod is very, very important, because the brain generally control what you say, what you speak, but the brain won't control your nodding. So when a person answer your question with the nod, it means he is telling the truth. Okay, so when you need to analyze someone's response, you can simply ignore what he said, just focus on the body language, and you can see that he nod, and he made a very, very good nod. So in this case, we can know he is saying the truth. And let's keep watching.
Joe, are you lying?
What do you think?
So here, when the lady asks, "Are you lying?" Okay, and you can see that he makes some eyeball movements, and he is like a little bit angry, upset, because his face is being offended. I'm telling the truth, but you did not trust me. So let's watch it again.
Yes.
Joe, are you lying?
What do you think?
So you can see that actually his head has turned right a little bit. It's like he's defending himself. I'm not lying. So he moved his head. He is not making any nod. Instead, he moved his head.
Was there anything else in the briefcase other than the money?
I saw the MrBeast logo.
Saw a check in there?
So you can see that when he said, "I saw a MrBeast logo," he closed his eyes. The reason why he closed his eyes here is very consistent. You can see that when he answered the first question here,
In case they wouldn't. Look inside your briefcase. Briefcase or steal his?
Or are you lying?
What do you think?
see first here he closed his eyes when he answered the question, and then
Was there anything else in the briefcase other than the money?
I saw the MrBeast logo.
here again, you can see that he still closed his eyes. So when you have good observation, when you know that someone keep closing his eyes when answer the question, there are two possible outcomes. One, he is keep telling the truth, or he is keep lying. But because originally he already make a good nod, so in this case, we have confidence to tell you that he is keep telling the truth.
Saw a check in there?
Yes.
Joe, are you honest?
You spent enough time with me. What do you think?
And you can see that he is now getting more relaxed, more comfortable, because he is using the strategy of keep telling the truth. When you keep telling the truth, you don't need to be nervous about imagine the fake answer. You can simply tell you what really happened. So you can feel that he's getting more and more relaxed. So if you are the girl, you will know that, oh, he's keep telling the truth, then the money is indeed in his briefcase. In this case, you should train it, and then you will win the $500,000. So that's a strategy you should really know when you make any guessing game in your future.
So nerve-wracking. $500,000 on the line.
Is she going to keep her briefcase or take his?
Wow.
It's a big decision. What do you think? As
So
Sealand, to make Lucy a little better.
let's go.
You told her!
Case.
you guys.
And you swear that their money is in your case?
Yes.
I don't think it's in there. I think I'm gonna pick my case.
You're gonna keep this locked in?
Very
Yes.
important information. You can see that he closed his eyes for 0.5 seconds. That's what I
I don't think it's in there. I think I'm gonna pick my case.
You're gonna keep this.
think. So in this case, you can see that he immediately blanked when he said that. So he's so nervous. So in this case, you will feel that there's something fishy here because suddenly he gets so nervous and something like that. So as a smart person, you should change the briefcase. So here is the overall video I want to make, and I want to know you about the body language. Body language is a very, very important thing. If you can master it, you can make a very, very, very good choice in your life. You don't want to be lied, you don't want to get lied, you don't want to get cheated. So in this case, detect people body language, be a smart person, and then you will have a better future and you can find the best person for your life. Low person want to find a person who keep lying to us. Okay, we deserve someone better. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys love it, and remember to watch MrBeast video. He is one of the best YouTuber in the world, if not the best. So thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please consider to subscribe my channel, and remember subscribe MrBeast channel. Thank you very much.